I wasn't going to do an intro on this video and just get right to the speed run, but I do have one notable change on this car, and that is I'm now running Saga pinion gears in this thing. Those that know that Saga make the best pinion gears in the business. Hardcore speed racers, these are their go-to gears, and I feel honored that Saga was willing to send me out a pinion to use in my Taxxas Bandit as I'm attempting to reach 100 miles an hour on 3S. Now these pinions are good for way above 100 miles an hour. I think they've had cars 190 plus on their pinions. But at any rate, today I'm running a 37 tooth pinion gear up from the 34 tooth I previously ran. And I'm running the same 44 tooth Kimbrough spur gear. I have the XTeam motor in here today, 3660, 4650 kV. The Gone Bananas foam tires, the same setup otherwise. Now, I was short on time today, had to get the kids ready for their activities and such, so I did not quite have enough time to fully charge this battery. It was close, but not quite. This is the Gens Ace Redline 6100 mAh 130C battery, and normally I pre-warm these batteries up a bit too to get the maximum performance out of them, and it did get warmed a little less than usual. So we'll see how it goes, and I'm thinking this Saga 37 tooth pinion gear should get this Bandit over 100 miles an hour next time on 3S. But honestly, I get real nervous running the car on 3S. Traffic is way too heavy right now to be making a 3S attempt. So today we're doing 2S, and I'm gonna see how much improvement we can get with this 37 tooth Saga pinion gear. Let's see what happens. Okay, I have the GPS cleared out and it's reading. I'll go ahead and get this thing buttoned up. .3, no improvement. Interesting. Well, let me go ahead and reset the GPS and I'll give it one more run. All right, run number 2, probably going to be a little slower, but I just want to see how it does. No, 75.6. I normally warm these packs up a bit before I run them, and I didn't really have a chance to get this as warm as usual, so maybe that's part of it. So that is a new personal best, a little bit faster, and it may well have hit 76 had the battery been completely charged. It's almost charged, but not quite. Running low on time today. The ESC, it's warm but not hot. The motor, it's warm but not hot. And the connectors are, yeah, they're definitely warm, but again, not hot. And I was always curious how far it went on my run. So almost a half mile total. All right, well, there we go. I went back and checked my previous fastest speeds on this Taxxas Bandit at 2S. I did reach 75.0 in a previous run. All the others were in the 74s or slower. So 75.0 was on a fresh 2S battery. So I picked up a little bit of a speed, about a half a mile an hour or so. Now, will that be enough to translate to 100 miles an hour on 3S? I'll probably take this out and run it in a new speed run spot where I have more distance to accelerate, and hopefully I will get this thing to crack 100 miles an hour on the XTeam motor. Then I'm gonna go back and throw the Valinian motor back in here. I think it might be kind of damaged at this point, but I'm gonna give it one more run, make sure, and you know, maybe I can get that thing up to 95 miles an hour one day, if it's not cooked. And then I'm really kind of torn because I don't want to spend Valinian motor money on a motor when I can get a different motor that may outperform it like this XTeam motor did. So there we go. I'm gonna not be able to do any speed run this weekend, but hopefully the following week, if the weather cooperates, I can get out here on a Saturday or Sunday morning when there's little traffic and go for it. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I hope everybody's doing well. Take care.